The new 2026 Honda SP125 is here, and it is already turning heads in the commuter bike segment. This motorcycle is made for riders who want modern looks, strong mileage, and smooth daily performance without spending too much money. Fresh and sporty design. Honda has given the SP125 a bold and premium look for 2026. The sharp fuel tank, sporty graphics, and sleek LED headlamp make this bike look more expensive than it really is. The digital meter is clean and easy to read, giving you all riding information at a glance. Engine and performance. The new 2026 Honda SP125 comes with a refined 125 cubic centimeters engine that feels smooth and silent. It delivers quick pickup for city rides and stays stable on open roads. Whether you ride to college, office, or market, this bike feels light, easy, and powerful enough for daily use. Amazing mileage for daily riders. One of the biggest reasons people love the SP125 is its fuel economy. The 2026 model is designed to give excellent mileage, helping you save money every week. It is perfect for riders who travel long distances daily and want low fuel cost. Comfort and handling. This bike is made for comfort. The seat is wide and soft, the riding position is upright, and the suspension easily handles bad roads. Even in traffic, the SP125 feels stress-free and easy to control. Smart features for modern riders. The new Honda SP125 includes smart features like a full digital console, real-time mileage display, gear position indicator, and silent start system. These small details make everyday riding more enjoyable. Final thoughts. Is it worth it? The new 2026 Honda SP125 is a perfect mix of style, comfort, and economy. It is ideal for students, office workers, and anyone looking for a reliable daily bike. If you want a modern 125 cubic centimeters motorcycle that saves fuel and looks great, this bike deserves your attention.